Take a picture. First, before we get into the video, we have to do some jiffing up. Anyways, enough of the madness. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. In this video today, we're going to be talking about how you can turn your active income into passive income. Now guys, I'm not here to sell you any form of fake dream. I'm not all about that. But I'm just gonna share with you something I wish someone or somebody had told me early on in my professional career, right? And this is not hard to do. You can start with less than $100, literally less than 100 US dollars, right? Now it doesn't matter what you do, you can turn it into passive income. Now let's say you tie steel, right? Let's say you make grill, let's say you tile, right? Now the reason why I started with those type of work is because individuals don't see how they can now turn their skill that they already have into passive income. And this is not hard, guys. All you need to do is digitize your knowledge. Create a course on the information that is in your head. Again, it doesn't matter what you do. You don't have to get creative on how you can sell that information. You don't even have to market it. Platforms out there like Udemy, which I have a couple courses on, Udemy will market it for you, right? Now let's say my strong point is not marketing, right? So guess what? You create a course on marketing. MR will buy that course. MR will go and take that course because MR wants to get better at marketing, right? Now here's the cool thing. You can use AI to assist you like ChatGPT. So again, for example, you tie steel. I don't know the correct name for it, right? So you can go into ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, create a course outline on how to tie steel. It will outline it perfectly for you. And now what you're going to do is going to create content or course or videos on those steps that ChatGPT created for you. Because trust me, it will take some time to create that outline, like thinking about it. What should come first? What should come next? That alone can take an entire day. Now with the aid of ChatGPT and other AI platforms, you can do this within a minute. So this is one of the actual ways that you can use ChatGPT in a sensible way to make money online. Use it to generate those ideas. Now you have the information in your head, so now you are going to put that information out there in a course. You want piece more GIF or you want hear more information on how to get started? Alright, I think I go bust the GIF first, you know. Alright, I not bother. Anyways, I think I need to learn to dance because like if I didn't know how to dance, like I actually place right now, you know. Alright guys, so what you need a microphone. If you don't have a microphone, start with your cell phone, Apple iPhone, your Android phone. So use your smartphone to record your audio and then you transfer that to your laptop. Now most of the courses you see out there, they're either screen recording or they are PowerPoints, right? Now if you're going to do screen recording, you're going to need a video editor. I use Filmora. You have CapCut out there. That one is free. Now for your audio editing, Filmora does a good job. I'm not sure about CapCut. I've never really used it, but you can also use Audacity, which is free also. So for your video editor, it is free. For your PowerPoint, you may have that installed on your laptop already and you have a smartphone. So literally, no investment to turn your knowledge, your existing knowledge that you use every day into passive income. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because I wished somebody had sat me down years ago and say, MR, you can do this. You know that you can put your knowledge on Udemy, huh? Really? But you know what people were telling me about? Good pension. But I understand still, you know, but so when you start these income ideas, don't expect it's gonna get big overnight. It will take time to build. It will take consistency. It will take patience, right? But you have to pull through. You know what will hurt you? When you say, boy, I wish 5 years ago I did continue. Now, I'm not saying everybody should go and create courses, but you should be aware that it is possible. You should be aware that you can convert your knowledge into digital content and earn from it perpetually, right? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Right now I'm just gonna GIF out and take a picture.